Welcome to Ready Claim, unraveling the car insurance maze. An accident has occurred. What's next? In the immediate aftermath of a car accident, your first priority is ensuring everyone's safety. Check if anyone is injured, and if necessary, call for medical help. Then, exchange information with the other party involved. This includes names, contact details, insurance information, and a brief description of the vehicles. If the accident is severe or there are disputes about what happened, it's crucial to notify law enforcement. Once these initial steps are done, it's time to contact your insurance company. Now, you need to report the accident to your insurance provider. It's as simple as picking up the phone or logging into your online account. Your insurance company is there to help, so don't hesitate to ask any questions. The person you'll be talking to is a claims representative. They're your guide through this process, helping you understand what comes next and what information you need to provide. Remember, their role is to support you in this stressful time. After reporting, it's time to file the claim. Filing the claim requires providing necessary information. This includes details of the accident and any involved parties. You can submit this information through various methods, whether it's over the phone, online, or in person. The key here is to report the incident promptly. Why, you ask? Well, timely reporting allows your insurance company to start the investigation process as soon as possible, leading to a quicker resolution. Once the claim is filed, the insurance company starts its investigation. The insurance company investigates the claim to verify the facts. This process involves a detailed examination of the damage to the car, which helps to establish the extent of the loss. Additionally, they conduct interviews with all the parties involved in the incident and any witnesses to piece together a clear picture of what transpired. They also review police reports and medical records, if any, to gain a comprehensive understanding of the event. With the investigation completed, the company now assesses the claim. The insurance company evaluates the damage and estimates repair costs. It's a careful process, involving a detailed look at your vehicle's condition post-incident. The professionals involved in this crucial step are called adjusters. They're like detectives, sifting through the evidence, determining the extent of the damage, and calculating how much it will cost to bring your car back to its pre-incident glory. It's their expertise that helps ensure fairness and accuracy. Following the assessment, the insurance company determines the coverage. The insurance company determines liability and policy coverage. To do this, they evaluate the accident details, your policy specifics, and any relevant laws. Determining liability means figuring out who's at fault. This can be one party exclusively or multiple parties to varying degrees. Policy coverage refers to what your insurance agreement covers and up to what limit. It's also crucial to coordinate with other parties' insurance if they were involved in the incident. With coverage determined, we move to claim resolution options. Now, the insurance company presents various claim resolution options. If the vehicle is repairable, they'll cover the costs. But when it's a total loss, they'll calculate its pre-accident value and propose a compensation. This can often be a tough pill to swallow, but remember, it's based on the vehicle's actual cash value. And don't forget about rental car reimbursement. If your policy includes it, they'll pay for a rental while your car is in the shop. Once you're clear on your options, it's time for negotiation and settlement. Negotiation is a crucial part of the claims process. Once an estimate has been made, it's time for a chat with your claims adjuster. This is where you discuss the settlement offer. Don't shy away from negotiating. It's your right to ensure you're adequately compensated. Once an agreement is reached, the claim is accepted and released. Remember, the goal is a fair settlement that covers your losses. If there are disputes, you have options. So stay informed, stay patient, and stay committed to getting what you deserve. Disagree with a settlement? You can dispute it. There are several ways to navigate this process. Mediation can be a useful tool, bringing together all parties to work towards a resolution. Arbitration, however, is a more formal process where a neutral third party makes a binding decision. If you're still not satisfied, consider involving legal counsel. They can provide advice and represent your interests. Remember, legal and medical professionals play a role too, ensuring your rights and well-being are protected throughout the claims process. Even after the claim, there are things to consider. Your future premiums may be impacted, sometimes seeing a slight increase. This depends on the nature of the claim and your insurance company's policies. The claim might also leave a mark on your driving record. But don't fret, it's not all doom and gloom. Take this as a learning experience and implement preventative measures to avoid future claims. Safe driving practices and regular vehicle maintenance go a long way. And that's the car insurance claims process, simplified. Now you know the car insurance claims process. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Ready Claim.